Goal setting and vision planning. 1. Start with a clear vision. Know what you truly want in life or a specific area. Visualize your ideal future. This is your why. 2. Write down your goals. Goals written on paper make them real and give your brain something concrete to focus on. 3. Break big goals into smaller steps. Chunk your long-term goals into monthly or weekly tasks to make them less overwhelming. 4. Use the SMART formula. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound for better clarity and success. 5. Set deadlines. Every goal should have a due date to create urgency and drive action. 6. Make an action plan. List the daily or weekly actions you need to take to move closer to the goal. Treat it like a checklist. 7. Visualize your goals daily. Spend a few minutes each day imagining yourself achieving your goals. It builds belief and motivation. 8. Track your progress. Use a journal, tracker, or app to record wins and setbacks. It keeps you aware and accountable. 9. Review and adjust regularly. Life changes. Revisit your goals monthly and tweak them if needed, based on your current path. 10. Stay focused on one goal at a time. Multitasking can lead to burnout. Prioritize your top goal and give it your full attention. 11. Build positive habits. Consistent habits like waking up early, planning your day, or staying organized can supercharge your goals. 12. Avoid perfectionism. You don't have to be perfect, just stay consistent. Progress matters more than perfection. 13. Create a vision board. Put up pictures or words representing your goals where you'll see them often. It keeps your mind aligned. 14. Use affirmations. Repeat powerful statements daily like, I am focused and capable of achieving my goals. 15. Stay away from distractions. Limit time on things that don't align with your goals. Social media, toxic relationships, or bad habits. 16. Surround yourself with support. Find people who encourage you, challenge you, or are also working toward their own goals. 17. Celebrate small wins. Each step forward matters. Celebrate progress. It builds confidence and momentum. 18. Learn from failures. Don't quit. Every failure is a lesson. Ask, what can I do better next time? 19. Be patient and persistent. Great things take time. Stick with your plan even when results are slow. 20. Create a why that drives you.